Okay, so this is a count occurrences algorithm that will count the number of times that something appears in an array. So far, I've created a string array called favourite teams that will store the names of 25 people's favourite football team. I've also created a class called fillArray that will fill the array with the names so I don't have to type it in 25 times. Now I'm going to initialize a variable that will store the number of occurrences that appear in the array. This will be an integer because it will only be whole numbers. Then I'm going to cycle through my array using a for loop, and every time that the word Newcastle appears, I'm going to add 1 to my number of occurrences. So I need an if statement. If the current value of the array, which is shown by favourite teams at I, so the current value, because it's a string I have to use a dot equals method. If this is true, then I'm going to add 1 to my number of occurrences. Which I've clearly spelled wrong. Obviously, I forgot to put equals 0 in the number of occurrences, that's why it wasn't working. Now once I've done this and I'm out of my for loop, I print out system.out println the number of Newcastle supporters and plus number of occurrences. Now if I run the program, I can see that the number of Newcastle supporters my arrays tell me is 10. If I go to the array, then you can clearly see that there's 10 occurrences of Newcastle.